Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change stock currency in Printful. The first thing I'd like you to do is to log into Printful. Check your left navigation panel. You're going to see more. You're going to see billing. You can go to more in case you don't find billing in recent. You can go to more. And for more, select billings. Under the billing method section, go ahead and choose store billing methods or billing methods. Now on this page, you will see your current billing currency. That's if you have set up your billing method. Amanda store currency, you can see that CHF Swiss francs. So go ahead and click on the drop down menu that is right there and choose any of your desired currency. Choose your desired currency or any of your desired currencies. Choose one from the drop down list, and once you choose one, then it's going to be changed to the new one. If you're prompted to save or update, go ahead and click on it to confirm. Now, I'd like you to notice some Reddit users note that if your storefront like Shopify uses the same currency, you may need to refresh data. So after you change your billing currency on Printful, you have to press the refresh data to synchronize your e-commerce store with your Printful product. This ensures product prices and sync remain accurate across platforms. Changing billing currency does not change storefront display currency. Customers still see prices based on your e-commerce platform settings. You're only customizing what currency you pay Printful in. And this is useful for financial clarity and avoiding conversion fees. So go for this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.